Hello students, in the last video I explained some 2 marks questions in the chapter matrices and determinants. Now in this video I am explaining the 2 marks question in the different model. See here, if x plus 3, z plus 4, 2y minus 7, minus 6, a minus 1, 0, b minus 3, minus 21, 0 is equal to 0, 6, 3y minus 2, minus 6, minus 3, 2c plus 2, 2b plus 4, minus 21, 0. Then find values of a, b, c, x, y and z. So here we have to find the variables of a, b, c, x, y, z, 6 values. Here these two are equal matrix. Equal matrix means the corresponding elements are also equal. So comparing on both sides these values, then we will get the required this variable values a, b, c to z. See here. See, solution. So this is the given two equal matrices. So on comparing both sides with the corresponding elements, here x plus 3 corresponding element is 0, z plus 4 corresponding element is 6 and 2y minus 7, this corresponding element is 3y minus 2 and minus 6 minus, here a minus 1 equal to minus 3 and 0 2c plus t and b minus 3 equal to 2b plus 4 and okay. Where the variable is there, we have to compare that elements in this matrix, that is enough. See here, x plus 3. So on comparing both sides, see. So x plus 3 corresponding element is 0, z plus 4. The corresponding elements is 6. Next step. Here 2y minus 7. 2y minus 7 corresponding element equal to 3y minus 2. See. Next, this a minus 1 equal to minus 3. And next, this 0 equal to 2c plus 2. That means you can write this value is 2c plus 2 equal to 0. Next, here one more variable is there. What is the corresponding element? This side is 2b plus 4. That is equal to the value. We have to write this value here. b minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4. See, here x plus 3 equal to 0. That means x equal to the value is minus 3. Next here, z equal to plus 4, send that side to become minus 4. That means 6 minus 4, the value is 2. Z value equal to 2. Here, 2c plus 2 equal to 0. That implies this value 2c equal to minus 2. Then c equal automatically minus 2 divided by 2, the value equal to minus 1. This is here a minus 1 equal to minus 3. Send minus 1 that side. Then the value equal to minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is the value is minus 2. And here 2y minus 7 equal to 3y minus 2. Send 2y that side. Then and send minus 2 this side, then we get 3y minus 2y is equal to minus 7, this value plus 2. 3y minus 2y value is y, minus 7 plus 2 means the value is minus 5. And next here b minus 3 equal to 2b plus 4 and send b this side and send 4 this side. 2b, this b send that side to become minus b. That means 2b minus b equal to this 4 become minus 4. Then minus 4 minus 3. Then b equal to the value is minus 7. So these are the required values of x equal to minus 3, y equal to minus 5 and z equal to and A equal to -2, B equal to -7 and C equal to -1.
వీడియో అవుతుంది కదా, ఈ పైన ఈజీ కూడా నొక్క.
See students, the next problem is in the matrix A equal to 2, 5, 19, -7, 35, -2, 5/2, 12, √3, 1, -5, 17. This is given. See here, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3 rows. And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means this is 1, 3/4 order matrix. Here, right, what they given? Find the order of the matrix and a number of elements in the matrix and write the elements of A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23 of this respective of this matrix. See here the solution. So given matrix this is, see, so given matrix this is. Here order of the matrix, order means what? Number of rows into number of columns. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. These are 3 rows. And columns 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. This is. Next, number of elements means if in a matrix there is m rows and n columns, total elements simply said mn elements. That means what? 3 into here, m means 3 rows and n means 4 columns. Mn 3 into 4, how many elements are there? Totally 12 elements. Next, see, write the elements of A13. Here A13 means the element lies in the first row of third element. Here this is first row. In first row, what is the third element? 19. This is see first row 1, 2, 3, third element. This is 19. And next we have to find A21. A21 means in the second row first element. This is second row. In the second row, what is the first element? 35 is the first element. Next A33 means the element lies in the third row, third element. So this is third row. In this third row, what is the third element? This is the third element, equal to -5. And next A24. That means the element lies in the second row and fourth element. See, this is the second row. What is the fourth element? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 12 is the fourth element. This is. And A23. That means in the second row, third element. So in the second row, what is the third element? This is 1, 2, 3. 5/2 is the third element. So this is the solution for this problem. Since the next numerical, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 and B equal to 3, -1, 3, -1, 0, 2. Then we have to find 2A minus B. See here A is the matrix A is scalar multiplication by the value 2. That means multiplication each and every element in the given matrix with the 2 and subtract that matrix from B. See here. Solution given matrices. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. B equal to 3, -1, 3, 1, -1, 0, 2. Now, 2A, 2 into this matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Now, multiply this matrix with scalar 2, each and every element. 2, 1 jar, 2, 2, 2 jar, 4, 2, 3 jar 6. Next 2, 2 jar 4, 2, 3 jar 6 and 2, 1 jar 2. This is. Now 2A minus B equal to, that means this the matrix 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 2 minus B means this value 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2. So this is the difference of these two matrices. That means the difference only done for between the corresponding elements in the respective row and column of these two matrices. Now 2 minus 3, the value is minus 1. 4 minus of minus plus 1, that means 4 plus 1 5. And 6 minus 3 3. Next 4 minus of minus 1, minus of minus plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. And 6 minus of minus 1, sorry, 6 minus 0, the value is 6. And 2 minus 2, the value is 0. See students, the next problem. Find AB if A equal to 6923 and B equal to 260,798. That means we have to find the multiplication of this matrix and this matrix. See here. Solution. So given matrices are A equal to 6923, B equal to 260,798. AB. To find multiplication of these two matrices, what is the rule? The number of columns present in the first matrix equal to the number of rows present in the second column. See here, this is a square matrix, means 2 by 2. This is order is 2 by 2 and order of B matrix is 2 by 3. See, the number of columns present in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows present in the second matrix. These two are equal, then only the matrix multiplication is possible. That means what is the resultant matrix of this AB? 2 rows and 3 columns. See, AB. First this row and first column. First row, second column. And first row, third column. Next, second row, first column, second row, second column. And this second row, third column. Multiply. 6 2 jar 12 plus 9 7 jar 63. And next 6 6 jar 36 plus 9 9 jar 81. Next 6 0 6 into 0 0 plus 9 into 8 17. Next 2 into 2, second row, first column. 2 2 jar 4 plus 3 7 jar 21. Next, second row, second column. 2 6 jar 12 plus 3 9 jar 27. Next, 2 second row, third column. 2 into 0 is 0 plus 3 into 8 jar 20. See here, 63 and 12. The value is here, this value is 75 and 81 36. The value, see here, 81 36 7 and this is 117. 72 plus 0 is 72 and 21 plus 4 25 and 27 plus 12, the value is 39 and 24 plus 0 is 24. This is A. See, next numerical. If A equal to 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 5 and B equal to 2 3 4 5 2 1, find A, B and B. See, here A is the matrix of order. How much this order? 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 by 3. And order of this matrix is 3 rows and 2 columns. See, solution of this. So given matrices are, first you have to find this AB. AB. That means, see here, we have to multiply AB. the number of columns in the first matrix equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. So these two are equal. Then the resultant matrix will be 2 by 2. That means square matrix will come. Then first row and first column. Again first row, second column of this matrix we have to multiply. First two elements will come. Next is second row, first column, and second row, second column. We will get the required remaining two elements. See, AB. This is first 1 into 2, 2. Next plus minus 2 into 4, minus 8, and 3 into 2, plus 6. Next 1 into 3, 3, minus 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10, minus 10, plus 3 1s are 3. Next, the second row, first column, minus 4 into 2, minus 8, plus 2 into 4, plus 8. Next, 5 into 2, plus 5 2s are 10. Next, minus second row and the second column, minus 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, minus 12. Next, plus 2 into 5, plus 10, plus 5 into 1, plus 5. See, this value here, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 minus 8, the value equal to 0. And 3 plus 3, 6, 6 minus 10, here the difference is minus 4. Next, minus 8 plus 8 both are gets cancelled, here the value is 10. And here 10 plus 5, 15, minus 12, 50, so 15 is bigger number, 15 minus 12, the difference is 3. This is A. Next step, B. So here write first B matrix 2 3 4 5 2 1, and this A matrix is 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 5. See, you have to multiply these two matrices. Here, see, what is the order of first B matrix? This is 3 by 2. And what is the order of this A matrix? This is 2 by 3. So here, the number of columns in the first matrix equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. So both are equal. Then matrix multiplication is possible between these two matrices. Then what is the resultant matrix? 3 by 3. Here 2 by 2 came, here 3 by 3 means square. This also square matrix. That means first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Next, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, and this third column. We have to multiply. The required elements will come, and this like that. Third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. We have to multiply the elements. We will get the required element in the resultant matrix of 3 by 3 matrix. See here. See here first. 2 into 1. 2 plus 3 into minus 4. The value is minus 4. Next. 2 into minus 2. The value is minus 4. Plus 3 into 2, the value is 6. Next, 2 into 3, 2 3 are 6, and 3 into 5, plus the value is 15. Next, 4 into second row, first column, 4 into 1, 4 1s are 4, plus 5 into minus 4, minus 20. Next, 4 into minus 2, minus 8, plus 5 into 2, 10, 5 2s are 10. Next, 4 into 3, 12, plus 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25. And the next, 2 into 1, 2 1s are 2, 1 into minus 4, the value is minus 4. And next, 2 into 2, minus 2, minus 4, and 1 into 2, plus 2. Next, 2 into 3, 6, plus 1 into 5, Now see this resultant values are here. 2 minus 12, the value is minus 10. 6 minus 4, the value is 2. And 6 plus 15, this value is 21. 4 minus 20, the value is minus 16. Minus 8 plus 10, the value is 2. And 25 plus 12, the value is 37. And 2 minus 4, the value is minus 2. And minus 4 plus 2, the value is minus 2. And 6 plus 5, this is 11. This is the required BA matrix. See student, the next numerical, if A equal to 1 0 0 minus 1 and B equal to 0 1 1 0, then show that AB is not equal to BA. See here. Solution. So given matrices. So these are the two given matrices. Now we have to find AB. Both are square matrix of this is 2 by 2, this is 2 by 2. Okay, matrix multiplication is possible. Now first row, this is first column, have to multiply the elements, and next first row, second column, have to multiply the elements. Next second row, first column, and second row, second column and elements we have to multiply. Then we will get the elements in the required matrix of this AB. Now this first row, first column, 1 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 1, also 0. Leave it. Next 1 into 1 is 1, plus 0 into 0 is 1 plus 0, again we get 1. Next 0 into 0, 0. Okay, next minus 1 into 1, 1. That means what? 0 minus 1, again you get minus 1. So this value is here minus 1. Next 0 into 1, 0. Plus minus 1 into 0, 0. So 0 plus 0, again we get the value 0. This is AB. See next for BA. So 0 1 1 0 B matrix elements, and A matrix element is 1 0 0 1. Here because B, these are reverse side, so that's why I write both matrix here. Again multiply. Both are 2 by 2 matrix, so matrix multiplication is possible between these two matrix. 0 into 1, 0 plus 1 into 0, 0. So 0 plus 0, again we get the value 0. And next 0 into 0, 0 plus 1 into minus 1. That means what? 0 minus 1, again you get the value minus 1. So this value is minus 1. And next 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 into 0, 0. That means what? 1 plus 0, again we get same value is 1. Next 1 this row and this column, 1 into 0, 0 plus 0 into minus 1, 0. So 0 plus 0 minus 0 or 0 plus 0, the value is 0. See here, this AB matrix and BM matrix both are different, therefore AB is not equal to BA. See the next numerical, if A equal to 0 minus 1 0 2 and B equal to 3 5 0 0, show that AB equal to 0 matrix or null matrix. Here both A and B are not null matrix, but the multiplication of AB is equal to null matrix you have to show. Solution same. Given matrices A equal to this, B equal to, then AB, so multiplication. So both are square matrix of what? 2 by 2, this also 2 by 2. Now first row, first column, 0 into 3 value 0 minus 1 into 0, 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Next 0 into 5, the value is 0, and minus 1 into 0. 0 into 5 value is 0 and minus 1 into 0 means both value equal to 0 plus 0 again 0. And next 0 into 3. 0 into 3 value is 0 plus 2 into 0 0. Again we get here the value is 0. Next second row, this second column, 0 into 5 0 plus 2 into 0 0. Again we get 0 plus 0 means the value is 0. So here the resultant matrix AB equal to 0 0 0 means it is indicates the null matrix of order 2 by 2. So students, next numerical, compute AB minus BA and A minus B BA. That means we have to multiply these two matrices. Here see, these are both are 2 by 2 matrices. I mean square matrices. Multiplication is possible between these two matrices. Solution. So this is given product. So now multiply. First row, first column, we have to multiply the elements, and first row, second column, we have to multiply the elements. Second row, first column, and second row, second column. This A into A square plus B into B plus B square. Next A into minus B minus AB plus B into A. Again you get AB. Next second row, first column, minus B into A minus AB plus A into B is AB. Next minus B into minus B, minus into minus plus B into B, the value is B square plus A into A, we get A square. So this value is here A square plus B square, minus AB plus AB get cancelled 0, and minus A plus AB is this also 0, this also A square plus B square.